Sa video ngayon, I'm gonna walk you through kung paano mag-setup ng professional blog sa Bluehost step by step. Kung gusto mo na mag-start ng blog para ma-share mo yung ideas mo, maybe maka-attract ng ideal audience and eventually ma-turn yung content into income, ito na ang beginner-friendly guide para sa'yo. What's up guys? Ako nga pala si Ashley and kapag brand new ka sa blogging, parang ang daming kailangan gawin. Like 1,000 different steps and tools bago ka pa makapagsimula magsulat. Pero ang totoo, konting bagay lang talaga yung kailangan mo para makapag-start and that's exactly yung pinapakita ko sa video na to. Let's get into it. Pero bago tayo magsimula, let's quickly talk about why Bluehost works for beginners. So, sa Bluehost, pwede mong bilhin yung domain name mo and hosting mo in one place lang. Hosting is what keeps your blog online at yung domain naman, yung pangalan ng website mo. May simple setup din ng Bluehost para sa WordPress and WordPress is the platform most bloggers use. Kasi binibigyan ka nito ng full control and room to grow. You don't need to know coding knowledge or design skills. Kailangan mo lang sundan ng ilang simple steps, mag-click ng ilang buttons, and ready na yung blog mo para i-customize. Okay? Ang una mong gustong gawin is mag-setup ng Bluehost account kung wala pa. We do have a link down in the description below so you can go ahead and click on it. Pagka-click po ng link na yon, you can go ahead and click get started. Pwede kang pumili ng plan. May mga Black Friday deals sila which we'll go over a bit later pero piliin mo yung plan na pinaka-fit sa needs mo. And then mag-login ka. Pag naka-login ka na, ganito yung makikita mo. So may home dito, may websites dito, may email, may domains, and then may hosting, security, billing, and marketplace. So ang gagawin natin is pumunta sa website. Tapos, i-click natin yung add website. I-click din natin yung install WordPress kasi yun yung best way para mag-edit. Pwede mo rin i-transfer yung existing WordPress mo kung meron ka na. And then, may isa pang empty environment. Pero hindi muna natin to gagawin. Okay? Maybe pangalanan mo siya like health blog. Tapos continue. Pwede mo rin naman skip muna yan for now. So dito pwede mo ilagay yung domain mo kung gusto mo. Whether meron ka na or gusto mo mag-search ng bago. Ako gagamit muna ako ng temporary domain for this example. Ngayon bibigyan lang natin siya ng ilang moments para mag-install. After that, i-click natin yung log into WordPress. So ito na yung itsura ng WordPress dashboard. At ang una mong pupuntahan is appearance. And then themes. Maraming iba't ibang themes na pwede mong piliin. Pero yung nakita kung pinaka nag-work talaga is called Blocksy theme. Kung hindi mo makita agad under your themes, punta ka sa wordpress.org. I-click mo yung wordpress.org themes sa taas tapos i-install mo yung Blocksy theme. Okay? So ngayon meron na tayo niyan. Gusto natin pumunta dito sa Blocksy. Sa taas, ma-add na siya dito. Ang cool sa Blocksy is ang dami nilang free starter sites na pwede mong gamitin. So i-select natin yung blog tapos piliin natin yung free ones kasi ang dami nilang magagandang free options dito. Kung sakali man gusto mong magbayad for one, pwede mo rin naman gawin yun. For now, ipipreview muna natin yung ilan dito. Since we need a blog, I don't see a blog there. Recipes. Okay, technically blog naman to, so import natin to. Built with Elementor. Ito yung pinaka-best option. Pwede mong i-view yung site, pwede rin tayo mag-go ahead at i-customize siya. So, habang nag-customize tayo dito, ayusin natin yung theme-related na parts. Alam mo yon, like yung overall look. So, more on sa mga bagay tulad ng header, yung footer, yung sidebars, yung colors, pati typography, dito mo babaguhin lahat yan. Pero, para ma-change at ma-edit mo yung mismong pages, bababa tayo sa pages. Para ma-edit mo yung homepage, i-click natin yung edit with Elementor. Okay, dito mo na pwedeng edit lahat ng nandito. At para i-edit mo naman yung mismong website pages talaga, punta ka sa pages section right here. I-click mo lang yung edit with Elementor, tapos pwede mo siyang i-edit exactly how you want. Now, yung blog is medyo separate. So, dito sa taas, kung saan mo makikita yung post, dito mapupunta lahat ng blog posts mo. Kung gusto mong gumawa ng new post, click mo lang yung add post. Dito mo ilalagay yung content ng post mo at dito mo rin siya may edit mismo. Obviously, gusto mo rin tong i-customize. Para wala na yung servings, cook time at iba pa kasi gusto mo siya maging mas traditional na blog. So, pwede mo namang i-delete lahat yan. Tapos mag-go ahead ka na lang at mag-add ng post. Dito mo ilalagay yung title. Tapos pwede mo ring i-add lahat ng content mo dito. May mga wonder blocks din sila na pwede mong i-add dito kung gusto mo. So, kung gusto mo, pwede ka rin mag-add ng gallery features, forms, and iba pa. Pero usually, simple lang naman yung blog. So, kahit maglagay ka lang ng title at isang simpleng photo, sobrang powerful na nun. Okay, dito mo i-manage lahat ng blog post mo right here. Kita mo kung gaano kadali at kasimple gumawa ng starter site from a template. Tapos mag-create ng lahat ng post mo super easily. That is all you need to know to officially launch a professional blog. Ang daming tao ang hindi maabot dito kasi niisip nila kailangan muna ng branding, long-term strategy, or perfect design. Pero ang talagang importante lang is good quality content. So now you can build one post at a time and grow your voice, audience, and skill. Now gusto ko lang itouch yung mga simple steps para matulungan kang mag-grow smoothly from here. First off, keep your layout simple. Huwag mong habulin yung perfect design. Publish one post per week, pick a schedule, and stick with it. Make sure din na i-share mo yung blog link mo sa social media or email list mo. Focus on writing content that solves problems or supports someone in their journey. Consistency beats perfection every single time. So ngayon, gusto ko lang itouch yung plans and pricing options ng Bluehost. So again, may link kami sa description na nakakapagbigay sa'yo ng best price possible. Pag naklik mo yung Get Started, makikita mo lahat ng plans nila dito. May Black Friday sale din sila ngayon, lalo na for the business e-commerce plans. Yung starter plan, sobrang good price pa rin. $2.99 per month lang siya for 36 months. With this plan, makakuha ka ng 10 websites, 10 gigabytes of storage. Ideal siya for up to 40k visits at may 99% uptime. May free CDN ka rin, makakuha ka ng maraming security features, maraming marketing features, at maraming advanced features tulad ng static content caching, object caching, at isang WordPress staging site. Ngayon, for the Black Friday sale, pwede kang makasave ng 70% off sa business plan, which brings it down to $4.19 per month and 19 cents per month. With this, makukuha mo lahat ng nasa starter plan pero upgraded siya, so mas marami kang website at mas malaking storage. May extra security features din like domain privacy at weekly website backup. And then lastly, yung e-commerce essentials plan na for now, pwede ka makasave ng 55% off dahil sa Black Friday deal namin. So magiging $9.99 per month siya. With this, makukuha mo lahat ng nasa business plan. But you get again more website, mas malaking storage, mas easy social logins, may easy social logins ka, custom email templates, at marami ka ring commerce tools na kasama. So makakuha ka ng secure payment processing, may WooCommerce auto install, product subscription, affiliate program, at syempre lahat din ang kasama sa business plan. Piliin mo yung isang plan na pinaka-fit sa needs mo. Pero kung talagang interested ka sa business or e-commerce essentials, highly recommended ko na i-grab mo na yung Black Friday deal nila. Alam ko na napaka-scary mag-start ng vlog sa umpisa kasi parang nilalabas mo yung voice mo, yung ideas mo sa mundo, pero kung feeling mo tinatawag ka talaga para gawin to, let yourself start. Hindi mo kailangan maging perfect o alam lahat. Kailangan mo lang ng clean setup and willingness na matuto habang ginagawa mo to. Kung gusto mong mag-start today, make sure gamitin mo ang link namin sa description and take advantage of their Black Friday deal that's going on. Gusto ko lang din i-mention na affiliate link sa mga to, which means pwede kami kumita ng small commission with no extra cost from you. So kung pipiliin mong gamitin yung links namin, thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. Malaking tulong talaga to create free content and tutorials just like this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, at syempre mag-iwan ng comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Dedicated ang channel na to sa pagtulong sa beginners na mag-build ng simple website, learn online skills, and bring their ideas to life without needing to be a tech expert. Thank you so much for watching at kita-kits sa susunod na video.